Now let's make this gorgeous spring or summer wreath. I'm going to start by taking a piece of my Bowdabra bow wire, making it long enough so that I'll be able to fold it in half and also tie it around my wreath. So I'm just going to fold it in half, lay this down into my Bowdabra, and tuck the end underneath. Then I'm going to go up to the overhead camera, and I'm going to lay in my florals. So we're just going to lay this in here, take this one, and lay this down in here, and take my flowers here and lay those down. And then we've got this bush that we just opened up so that we don't have to hot glue. Lay that in here. Then I'm going to lay my tails down into my Bowdabra. I'm just going to lay this down in here. Then we're just going to make a traditional fold and twist bow. So I'm just going to twist it, lay this down into the Bowdabra, fold it back over, and twist and lay it into the Bowdabra. I love this lemon ribbon. It's so pretty. Lemons are such a wonderful thing for the season. Everybody loves lemons. And I'm going to just twist it. Now, if you want to know how much ribbon we're using, definitely check in the box at the bottom of the video, and we list in there in the description what kind of ribbon we're using, as well as how much of each ribbon we're using. So we're just going to fold this back over, and I'll just make one little loop here. Then what I'm going to do is take my my flower, lay this down in here, and take my Bowdabra wand, which is somewhere around here, and give everything a good scrunch. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through my slip knot, which is why I folded in half, pull everything tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie it off. So I'm just going to knot it and make another knot here. Then I have to shape my ribbon, so I'm going to pull my tails going down and take my loops. I'm just going to shape out all my loops and bring my flower up to the center here and pull my loops in opposite directions. So I'll pull it this way and that way, and again I'm putting my fingers in the loops to fluff them out because it is a wired ribbon. And then I'm going to take my grapevine wreath, and I want to bring my tails so that they're hanging down. So I'm just going to bring the tails around here, bring this tail around over here, and now I'm going to just take my Bowdabra bow wire. If I can find my other piece of wire, it should be around here somewhere, and I'm going to just bring this around here and tie this onto my grapevine wreath. So the trick to doing this is tie it and then twist the wire so that way it stays really tight. And then I'll just tie a little bow on the back here. That's what's nice about the wire, is you can just fold it here and then just finish shaping my bow, bringing my tails down to the bottom, and bring my flowers up, bring this flower around to the center, bring my lilies up, and now we have this beautiful wreath, which is perfect for summer or fall. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.